Willie Mayette, creator of No Bowl Piano. Why did I create No Bowl Piano? I got tired of the bullshit. There's a lot of bad information online. Taking in information that's not from a good source, then you're not getting the best information possible. I've been doing this for over 18 years online. I went to Berklee College of Music. I've toured, I've recorded, I've written several books. I've been published by major publishers, done hundreds of videos and have thousands of students. And I know how to present it to you in the right order and the right way. One of the main reasons I get for students wanting to quit the piano is not enough time. I'm going to be honest with you, it's bullshit. You can practice away from the piano. In fact, you should be practicing away from the piano. Piano is not just about learning it at the instrument. So if you've had difficulty in the past memorizing songs, being able to improvise, feeling like you really know the instrument, well, guess what? It's because you don't really know your music theory. And now to learn your music theory, you got to put time into it. If you practice theory for 5 minutes a day, because everybody has 5 minutes a day. And I'm also going to be a little bit more aggressive in these videos as well. This is really more for the student who's like, hey, look, I'm tired of the bullshit too, Willie. Come on, just show me the stuff and let's get right into it. Do you like the No Bowl Piano format, or is it too much for you? Or are you ready to like say, hey, yeah, come on, bring it on. I'm going to help you take the bullshit out of learning the piano.